Hey, welcome to another show. Today we're going to be recording with a new USB condenser microphone. We're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, thanks for joining the show today. I'm going to show you a quick unboxing. What you get is a anti-spray sponge. You also get a mic clip, the tripod stand, and of course the USB microphone. This microphone looks very elegant. You can see that it's all set up. You have this little bar right here that goes on the top and connected to your anti-sponge cover here. This prevents anything from hitting the microphone. You also see the microphone holder right here is connected with rubber bands, so it fits very nicely in here. The tripod stand fits perfect on your desk. You can adjust it any way you want to. So this is nice and portable. And talking about portable, you can hook this up to your laptop or your computer, and when you're on the road or you're doing your podcast or any type of your recordings, it's all set to go. So what I'm using is a software called Audacity. It's a free audio program. And when I first set it up, I was not getting very good results with this microphone. So I want to quickly show you what I am using right now. So you can also see the distance between the microphone and my mouth, and I'm getting pretty good results. So I'm going to show you the program Audacity. So I did use the recorder that comes with the computer, and I was not getting very good results. So what you want to do is when you're using Audacity is right here, you want to change that to, I'm using MME, and you also want to change this setting here next to your microphone, so you're not using the microphone on your computer, and you want to change that to Microsoft Sound Mapper, or it might come in as a different name. But you want to change these two settings here. You can also change the level of the microphone input, this little button right there. All you have to do is slide that up and down, and you can see by my the wavelengths, I have the microphone right now kind of placed a little bit far away, but I'm going to bring this a little bit closer. So test 1, test 2. So now you can see I'm hitting the tops there, so you want to kind of back off a little bit. Top, test 1, test 2. So I feel I'm getting a pretty good level. I can always increase the microphone input if I need to. So by looking at this, it's showing up, and I'm getting good recording levels. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the audio quality. I highly recommend using the program called Audacity. It is free, easy to set up. Same thing with this new condenser USB microphone. Very portable, elegant looking, looks nice on the countertop, and should be great to take along on trips or on the go, or just to stay in your studio. So once again, I'll leave a comment down below for this link on Amazon. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.